How to log in GEM Visa account. Hey everybody, this is Nina from Create, Login, Delete. Without any further ado, let's get started. Open up your web browser in your PC and at the top search bar, type in gemvisa.com.au. Once done, you will land onto its official website. Now to get logged into your account, go ahead and click on Login on your top right. If you are a new user, go ahead and click on Register and follow the on-screen prompt to create yourself an account. For today, let's click on Login. Now you'll see this page and it's the new Latitude Service Center. If you have ever used the Latitude mobile app, you can use the same login here to view your account. But if you have not registered for a Latitude ID, you will need to enter your name, your date of birth and verify your email. Once done, they will send you one-time code to the mobile registered to your account, and that will be it. At this section, enter your email address, followed by your password. If you want to recheck your password, click onto this eye icon that will show you your password. Once done, go ahead and click on Login. So that is how you will be able to get logged into your account. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thank you for watching and do like and subscribe for more.